ZBCN ZEBEC network is going to print millionaires. Yes, yes, that's what we believe. In this video, we're going to share with you why and how to print with the ZEBEC network. Jomo, you want to go first or I go first?
Let's go, CM. Let's go. Let me go first. I'm going to show people the ZBCN chart, man. This is incredible. Look, we're waiting, okay? We're waiting with ZBCN. We entered first positions. We're triggering. We believe, okay, that this was the low. We believe this was the low. This was the first higher low. And from here on, the market is red hot. All right, it's going to either explode through here or go through here for a couple of days and then explode and just move higher in price. This is just amazing. And people forget. The thing about this, CM, is people forget because we were in a downtrend while Bitcoin broke out and everything. People were like, oh, we have all these comments, right? ZBCN is scammy, ZBCN is this, it's not moving, it's annoying. Yeah, I get it. But people forget how fast it moved, 400% in just 2 weeks, right? People forget how much volume came in here. This was the first spree of buying over here. And then this was leading. When everything else was bleeding, Bitcoin didn't break out just yet. Bitcoin was giving back grounds. Something was kind of iffy. ZBCN broke out. That was the sign that it has huge relative strength. It broke out before everything with huge volumes. Yeah. Now it's corrected. Everything else pumped. That's why everyone is like, oh, it's scammy. Everything else is pumping. No. ZBCN just needed its time to kind of congest all the profits, all the move, retest, and now we believe it's about to continue. CM, what do you think?
Showtime for ZBCN. I'll show you exactly where is my ZBCN chart.
Hook the like, everyone. Share this channel. Share it. Send it.
Yes, guys, by the way, this is important. You have our Twitter handles below. Make sure you follow us on X Crypto Mindset. .for, no edge, no trade. Like, subscribe, share it, retweet it. If you're a ZBCN man, join the army. We are ZBCN maxis all over our socials, mainly on X. On X, you're gonna see much more amazing posts on ZBCN. If you love ZBCN, man, join the army on X. Join us, follow us. We love you as well. Now look, this is ZBCN, man. I believe it's going to explode. Look, this is, for me, it looks like it's trying to confirm here a W pattern with a higher low. This is the neckline of the pattern, okay? It's a bit messy, but it is what it is, okay? This is the breakout here. You see that level? This is the real breakout, okay? Once it's clear, this level, let's make it 41, okay? 41, 0041, that's it. You're going to go bananas. ZBCN will go nightmare mode. It will confirm a reversal here. And it's going to print. It's going to print. And everybody that didn't bought here, they're going to cry to their mommies that they didn't bought here. And we're just going to add to it because we are traders. We love buying uptrends, okay? That's what we do. And yeah, we're going to print money. But by the way, look, Jomo, I think it's going to go. Let's look at price prediction. I think it can do a 10x from here. Easy peasy, man. By the way, this is not a financial advice. Hey, not a financial advice. If you want to get all our trade alerts, join the VIP link below. Look at this. This is the fib retracement tool. If it can pump, let's say from here. Again, we're looking for the next couple of weeks or months of this pump. Maximum, on this tool is around 5x from here. I'll take that. I think it can do that. Easy peasy. But first we need to clear that high and confirm the W or, the bottom. Confirm the bottom and start our third leg. By the way, Jomo, we told them first leg is in, okay, priced. Second leg, priced.
Correct.
Now you move to the third leg. Third leg should go banana, okay? Should go banana. Where's my banana? ZBCN is going to go bananas, man. I'm telling you, we're telling you, we invite you all to join our membership. This is the time to print dineros with us. While ZBCN was correcting, Jomo, for the last month or so, we were printing. If you were holding ZBCN on the way down, This is a mistake. Again, we love ZBCN, but we love money more, and we use capital. We traded XRP up 60% on it. We traded Ethereum up 50% of it, okay? While ZBCN was chopping you to pieces, okay? We printed with other names, with Pengu, with Bonk, with NeuroETH, many other names, printing. And now we have more USDT to buy our daddy. The ZBCN is now waking up, and all our capital will flow into ZBCN. Uptrend. That's how you need to think ZBCN Maxi. We invite you to join us. We will show you the way to trade and maximize your ZBCN experience into this bull run, because we are the best in the world. See you in the next video, Jomo.
Till next time, no edge,
no trade.
Cheers, everybody.